Okay, everybody, so this is before I log in. I am going to go ahead and register a new account really quick just because I did delete the old one. So I'm going to register this one so that I remember what it is really quick. And then it says, thanks for registering. Please use it to log in. And then as soon as I log in, oops, I have to fill out that before it'll let me. Okay, so this is welcome Rachel. This is my first name, last name, client email, and then client level. If I go over to home one, it says welcome Rachel, and then it says you can log out if you want to. I'm going to log out, and then I'm going to log into the admin account to show you what that looks like really quick. And I never remember the password for the admin account because it's a little bit just all over the place. Let me find it really quick. All right. And then when I log in there, it takes me, okay, admin, user, and then I can manage products. I did do the extra credit, so if they are not an admin and they log in to the account, so let's say that I am logged into this account really quick. If I go into the local host, oops, Acme, and then products, it'll redirect me to this page. Same as if I go to localhost, Acme, categories, or I think it's add categories. Let's see. That's the wrong site, but you get the point. If I go to localhost, Acme, products, then it does not take me that. It takes me back to the home page. Also, all of it does validate, like I said before. It won't let me use the web tools, but I can validate the PHP through here. So that's login, this, no issues found. And again, no issues found with my PHP. So all of it's running, all of it's working. I'm really excited. It took a lot of work, so thanks for watching. Oh, I almost forgot. Also, I'm validating our HTML. So I hit check for the home page. And I do have, obviously, these PHP errors because I can't get rid of them when I'm just validating the HTML, not when I'm validating the PHP, but just when that. So all of those are there, but everything else is valid HTML. So it's literally just like these things.